The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now I have a few videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present any of those videos to you, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now before I present any video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about a video circulating on social media. And allegedly, the video is said to be about a man who married a dead woman. See? Viewers and subscribers, I saw the video and I'm not saying that it is not true, but at the same time I don't really and truly accept or totally believe the things that have been said on social media about the video. Viewers and subscribers, that whole situation have me asking questions. See? If that female really died, who signed the marriage certificate for that female? That is, if she really died. And if she really died, viewers and subscribers, there's no way she can say, I do. So those are two of the reasons why I don't really accept or believe this whole thing where it is said that a man married a dead woman. The video shows a man putting on rings on a female's finger, and allegedly it is said that the female is dead at the time when that video had been recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I don't want to say anything that is considered to be negative towards a situation like that or the video, you see me? But if the video really and truly shows something that happened for real, then I think it is touching. Some persons might find it weird, but some persons might also think it is touching. You know, when you love someone, you love someone. You see? Anyways, I got unconfirmed informations as to where and when the video had been recorded, but I'm not going to say it in this video, but you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments letting you know what I know. Is what I'm saying to you? Alright, I think I'm going to leave that topic right there, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what to think about that video that I talked to you about. As I said to you, the reason why I'm not going to present that video to you totally is because the video contains a music in the background, you know, and allegedly it is said that the video shows a female's body in a casket, alright? But you can let me know what to think about that. Alright, now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video is about a Jamaican man who threatened a person because the person called the police or the sheriff on him for a certain reason. It is said that the video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America. I do not know when the video will be recorded. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what to think about this video as well, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to tell you from right now that some harsh languages had been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Blood
Oh, you called the police on?
I lift up this. If you don't like the situation, you leave.
Yeah.
That me I tell you. So now you can't call the police come over me and do charge it. Because some boy thinks I'm American, but he's not American in the dog.
Yeah.
Me lift up this bumbo clot in the youth. You hear me I tell you that?
Yeah.
Me not have no problem with nobody, me not fuck with people, you know.
Yeah.
Me mind my own business, brother.
Yeah.
So when you have a bumbo clot, call the sheriff over bumbo clot in the yard. Just because they're in an army, like me afraid of army boy. You know what we do with army boy?
Yeah. Oh, you called the police on you because you were playing?
I fuck it, me want him come on. I come want him come on, me lift him up. And he thinks that joke thing this. Thinks that bumbo clot joke thing this. I fuck you. Just lift up come out of your bumbo clot or say, you're going to see what bumbo clot kind this is. I am saying things that joke thing with the fan.
Yeah.
I fuck you. I thump in your mouth. Straight up me and I thump in your mouth. And if you don't understand part of play with it. Bumbo clot, play with it. Yeah. Like I think that this is sound. Just blood clot, come back and call the police. Come out to your house, you go in your car, and I'm going to smash you down. Anyhow you take him, you're going to thump in your face. Because you try me. Like your parent. Are you all my parent? We all parents that live right here, innit?
You right, man.
I mind my business, you mind your fucking business.
You right about that shit.
The fuck?
You right.
You gonna call come at your house. I'm gonna lift up your and you're gonna see what bumper clock go on. I'm gonna lift up your pussy wall.
Viewers and subscribers, you know what I think about that video or about the incident. I think that the Jamaican man should just forget about the whole thing and just go and live him life happy, or he move from around whosoever and make him feel unhappy where he's at that time when the video be recorded or the incident happened. You see me? And that's all me I gonna say about that video that I just presented to you. So I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that citizens within the country that is known as Guyana had apprehended a person who is said to be a thief and handed him over to the police. Allegedly, it is said that citizens within the country of Guyana had beaten a person who is said to be a thief and handed him over to the police. You see? It is said that he was trying to rob a female. I did not get any confirmed information if the person who is said to be a thief had any weapon or weapons on him. No, you see me? And it is said that the video be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video be recorded. You see me? Alright, so you can let me know what I think about this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, this video is going to show the person who's said to be the thief, and you're going to hear persons talking in the background of this video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
It's 500 and I collect my change. I open the door. Nobody here, I tell the driver. I open the door, I see this man come out. This time I walk in, I get a good way in. And something said to me, speed up your walking. And I saw what more speed. And I say, you know what? This man got camera right in front. He can't do me nothing because I never see nobody walk behind me through a. Never, ever see nobody through a walking. You? It's a dog, you. No way. And here we are looking for. You see?
What you want?
Where you find this girl from? From town?
Tom.
Where you can you from?
Make a mistake. Make a mistake.
You the Muslim. You the beast. You just like the old beast.
Make a mistake. Yo,
listen.
You're dead if this ain't in tongue, man.
Tongue, that would be a mistake. Exactly. You would have glad for the police reach you.
Bye.
You lucky here, man. You would have glad for the police reach you. Trust me, you lucky here. You lucky here, man. You know exactly what you're doing. You bright.
Who's you, man?
What is that what you're trying to rob me?
You bright. You know
What this man was in.
Guess what? You never say you make a mistake, alright.
You see the up on the bar and still running.
Listen to me. You see the van behind you, he's still running.
Yeah, quick.
Watch you. You dog.
You see the van behind you, he's still running.
Men say tell me something I look right. They said, can't be this girl man by. This man walk too fast behind this girl. I said, why do you that?
My people, look on the person who is said to be the thief in that video. In my point of view, it look like he get a proper arson. Yeah man, it look like he get a beating. Or beatings. You see me I say? Yeah, look on how the person look in the video. On the ground and so forth. See? Well, I hope him learn something from this. See me I say? I hope him learn something from this. Hard to see your work for your one and then somebody want come just take it from you like that. No, it no work, so that no fear. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. The first time I saw this video, I shook my head. Allegedly, this video is said to be a surveillance footage that shows when someone stole something that is known as a carpet or a rug. Allegedly, it is said that the incident happened somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana, and the video shows a date, so allegedly it is said that that's when the whole incident happened. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me what to think about this video. On a real, tell me what to think about this video, alright? Or about the incident. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look. Carpet or a rug, viewers and subscribers. Allegedly it is said that someone stole a carpet or a rug. Janu. Point blank, you know. Once you steal anything from someone, you know, that's just wrong. It's low. I could have even one pen. But on a real, me never hear about someone stealing a carpet or a rug before. Never. No, sir. Especially if it is used. People, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.